Hey APUSH students, I'm here to tell you a little bit about the test correction form and how this works. You've received your test back, and on your multiple choice section you may have missed some questions that caused you not to pass. So this is really only for those who did not pass the multiple choice section of the test, meaning you got an approaching. So what you're able to do here is to avoid having your grade be not passing and get it at least to a C on the test, you can do corrections. So your corrections will have to be done up to the value of the maximum for meets. In this case, on this particular test for Unit 1, the first section, meets, high meets is an 18, and on the Unit 2 portion of the multiple choice, the high on the meet side is a 76. So every multiple choice question is worth 2 points. So every one that you fix is getting 2 points back. Again, this is only up to a meets. You cannot correct up to an advanced or mastery. To get advanced or mastery, you have to take the end of quarter final, which will be the week of October 22nd. For you guys. So, but this will get you going on your fixes. So what you're going to work on is this form here, in which you're going to write your name, the unit, and or chapter that you're working on. If you're doing this for a quiz, you would put the chapter number for the quiz, but you're doing units, so this would be Unit 1 and 2 test that you're fixing. Corrections are an opportunity, not a right, so this is an opportunity for you to find the answers you need to know in order to do better on the quarter final. And so you go onto your test and find an answer that you got incorrect, put the number of the question here, and then you have to figure out what the right answer is. So you got to go back through knowing what you got wrong. Use your textbook. Every question is outlined by chapter, so you might have to go back into the chapter and figure out what is it about that question that you got wrong. And then you need to find a quote from the textbook or a other relevant source to show why that answer is now correct, something that goes along with that idea that shows that it's now correct. And then give a page number reference or from the textbook or a citation of where you got that information that shows that the answer is now correct. So that's the pretty simple explanation of how the test corrections work. Again, I want to reiterate that this is only if you did not pass and you need to get your multiple choice section up to at least a meets while you're waiting and preparing for the quarterfinal.